Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to turn your footer social media text into the icon. So last class, I'm still not sure why I couldn't make it by doing the JavaScript. But when I got home, it's actually everything just worked very fine. So my recommendation is actually just try to do the footer first, and then do the do the Google charts for the my design skills. So let's first just go to the Fonts Awesome. When you open up the website of Font Awesome, let's go to the how to use. In here, pretty much they actually list all the stuff that tells you how to actually access the files on the website. So let's go ahead and go to the looking to download and hosting thing yourself. So go ahead and click this one. After that, you will actually there is a folder download to your desktop. When you open that up, there is a several folders inside. So we are going to go ahead and use the GS, the first file called all.js. Let's go ahead and copy that to our local root folder. So in my local root folder, to my project 2. So in my local root folder, I've already got the folders that are called JS. In here, you're gonna paste your all.js in here. So your browsers will be able to access this file. So after you place your file into your local root folder, let's go to our website. So in the website, under the download, we said that we will help you understand what to do. So click that. We'll guide you through how to actually access the files. So we're gonna go ahead and go to the using SVG with JavaScript. So we are going to copy this code. Start with a script, defer or pass GS and script. Go ahead and copy. Open up your HTML. So under the style sheet, within the head section, you are going to actually paste the script code in here. So I'm going to relocate this one. So I actually have already built a folder of GS. So and I already put my file into it. So the src should be right like that. And if you actually got so you need to follow the folder. So within the project 2, it's because your HTML is in the project 2, so you don't need to actually define your project 2 here. So the HTML will read start from the GS, and then with inside is all.js. So we follow this rule. So if you got too many folders, you actually need to list your folders by put the / a folder name, / a folder name. So for me, this is pretty much how it should be look like. And then we are going to go ahead and replace our icons, and instead of the text. So we are going to go to the font awesome. Let's go to the icon. So first one, I'm going to do the Twitter. Just by type your Twitter. There is the Twitter. So in here is the HTML code that you're gonna replace. So just click to copy HTML, zoom out, and then you're gonna select the text and just copy, replace it. So after I replace that, go ahead and save that and go to our preview page. So as you can see that my Twitter text was replaced by a little bird icon. Then let's go ahead and do the second one for the Facebook. So I'm going to go ahead and search Facebook. I'm going to choose this one, square, copy that, go back to the HTML, do the copy paste, and save that. Every time you do the update, go ahead and see if it works on the preview. So it seems like it works. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of the threes. The next one I'm doing is the, what's that called? It's linking, right? Linking Instagram and Snapchat. Linking. I didn't actually, oh, link. So here you go. Sometimes they named different. So place that. Instagram is. Here is the Instagram. Copy back to the HTML. Paste. Last one is Snapchat. Just wanna do the snap. Here is the Snapchat ghost. Copy that back to the HTML. Do the same thing. Save that. Go to our preview. Looks like everything works. This time everything works fine. I didn't do any changes. I just do the icons first. So turns out everything looks okay. So go ahead and change the size because it's too tiny. So let's go back to our style sheet. So in the style sheet, I already because this one is in our footer within the A tag. So we're going to actually define that in here. So I have a footer A tag. So I'm going to go ahead and do the font size. It's because this website, the Font Awesome website, has already turned the icons into a font format. So in the CSS, we are going to define as a font size. So I'm going to go ahead and do a 20 pixel to see how big is it. It looks like turns a little bit bigger than the default. Wanna do a 30, pretty big, huh? So I'm going to increase the gap between each other by putting a padding. Actually, I also get a class selector for that. So I'm actually going to just change the paddings between them. So increase the 40 pixel. So 20 is actually the bottom and top and bottom. So the 40 is left and right. So as you can see that the gap between each other are actually enlarged. Yeah, it feels like the icons are too big for me. I'm going to go ahead and just reduce the size a little bit. 25. It's okay for the demo. Yeah, that's pretty much everything I've done. So you can click that. I don't have the links, but you need to actually replace the links by replacing the href. So I can go to my Twitter page. Twitter, not this one, but I got the typo. So Twitter. When it's logged in, you wanna go to your own page and then just copy the link by following your name, your username. I'm gonna go ahead and replace this hashtag and make sure your links are correct. Let's try to save that. And when I click my, it should be worked. So let's preview that. I will actually direct you to my Twitter page. Yeah, this is pretty much how you're gonna do the icon replacing for the social media by using the font awesome. Yeah, thank you so much.